How to make your audio file public on Roblox Marketplace. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for roblox.com and just like that, sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the Create button and the Creator dashboard will appear. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Creations and then select Development item. Now, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Audio. And just like that, simply tap on Upload Asset. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Upload and just like that, upload your audio. Once that's done, enter the name and an optional description. Also select your audio file and then click on Upload. Now once the upload is completed, scroll down and then open the audio file you want to manage. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply look for distribution, and if distribution isn't already approved, you can simply tap on Submit for reviews. You'll need a verified Roblox account and must agree to required terms before submitting your request. After your request is approved, you can return to Audio Asset and then enable Distribute on Create Store. And just like that, you can save changes. Keep in mind that Roblox has eligibility requirement for public audio asset including duration limit and other platform policies, so make sure that your audio meets the current requirement before submitting it. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.